Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the neem tree. Number 1. The neem tree is a tropical evergreen species. Number 2. It has many medicinal properties. Number 3. The tree is drought resistant. Number 4. They thrive in hot, arid climates. Number 5. Neem trees provide shade and can improve air quality. Number 6. The tree can reach a height of 15 to 20 meters. Number 7. Every part of the neem tree, from leaves to bark, boasts potential benefits. Number 8. Generally, neem trees can live for around 100 to 200 years or even longer under favorable circumstances. Number 9. Neem is a revered tree in Indian culture. Number 10. The neem tree holds cultural significance in many regions of the world. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.